Hey, it's Travis, and I am here at the Cat's booth. 2022 Air Power Vendor Expo Day. All right, I am with the brothers Bryan. I've known these guys for a very long time. They are absolutely one of my go-to vendors for my segment of products, which is filters. So cartridge filters. Pull one of those up here, David. Let me introduce you first, though. Okay. This is the real star of the show, but Will Bryan and his brother David Bryan, they own this place.
That's right.
They're the owners, the account managers, the sales reps, all of the above, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. How is it holding each other accountable for the bottom line?
It's been great working together. We've been together for 20 years. Been supplying air power for probably close to 20 years.
If I had to work with my brother, we'd probably fight every day. You guys are definitely not that way.
We're not that way. I mean, we have disagreements about every couple of 2 or 3 years, and they're usually very minor, and we work right through them pretty quick.
Well, your personalities are different, so
Yes.
The way you guys run this company, it's definitely you both definitely have certain strengths in certain areas. You know,
Yes.
I know his strength is patience. His is not.
That is true. That is a fact. That is a fact.
That is a fact.
So Will does sales for the company, and he's a natural at that. He's very good. He's been in the cartridge business for a long, long time. And then I'm the director of operations for the company, so I'm running the inside. And like Travis said, we're very, very different, and we both like what we do. And
That's
so it works
cool.
out really
It
well.
works out great. We're a
Well,
good team.
let's talk about your product line, okay? With Air Power, typically you are a strong vendor for us in the cartridge filter market.
We are.
For sure. So let's talk about that a little bit. What is a cartridge filter? What is it used for?
So a cartridge filter, the types of cartridge filters that we sell are used for dust collectors or powder booths. Air Power has been a big distributor for us for years on the powder booth side of the business, and is also really getting more and more.
How long have we been doing business together?
Probably 20 years. I originally started at Freudenberg and was selling to Air Power through Freudenberg,
Okay.
and basically been with you guys for
20 years. So another long-term partnership with a vendor and Air Power. And I've been here almost 8 years. I'm knocking on 8 years right now. And we met right after I started.
We kind of hit it off. I mean, Travis has become a very good friend of mine.
Absolutely.
We talk constantly about opportunities at Air Power.
Absolutely.
And there's a lot of those.
And a lot of training. You were actually one of the first ones we did a video with.
That's right.
I knew, I was like, we got to get videos, we got to get going.
Yeah.
And you and I started working together on that. We shot like 2 pretty decently long training videos.
Yeah.
If you're watching this right now, you can go to Air Power Live or the Air Power YouTube channel and look up the video where we talk about cartridge filters, vinyl filters, and all the above. So
Travis is a natural at this.
I
For
love
sure,
it.
he is.
All right, guys. I hope you have a great show today. What do you guys think about this format?
The show's incredible because you get 18 minutes with everybody.
Every single account manager, every single specialist, engineering team member, everybody.
Right, so we're getting to meet people who are involved with the filter side of Air Power, but we're also getting to meet people who are not quite, maybe their hands aren't on filters, but it's good for everybody at Air Power to have a good idea of their vendors and who they deal with.
You know,
So it's been great.
some people when they're trying to, there's different ways to deal with things. You can either not train the sales force as deep as you think they need. You know, you just train them enough and then come to me and I'll help you when you need to sell it. I'm kind of the complete opposite. When they gave me filters, I'm like, I want everybody to know everything there is. Full disclosure, cost, here's what you need, here's the pitfalls of choosing this one. Here's how to get your pricing quicker and easier on your own. And it's been fantastic for filters.
So it's been great working with you
Cool.
and getting to know you, man. And I'm
Will
excited to be on
Bryan.
this video, even though I was a little bit nervous.
No.
Yeah, we're
With
definitely
me,
thankful
nobody's
for the
nervous on a
opportunity.
video with me. David, good to see you, buddy. This is your first Air Power event.
It is. It's been a great. We've gotten to meet the team. The team is like a family. You can tell. Will said this is kind of like a small, big company. That's kind of the way it feels. And it's just we are thankful to be here, and we feel like definitely got something out of this, getting to know everyone.
Absolutely.
You guys have taught me everything, pretty much everything I know about cartridge filters. So I'm pretty good at it now. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right, on to the next booth.